Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, whether that's you spending some peaceful time alone or spending it with family and loved ones. Here in Minnesota, we just had our Hmong New Year this past weekend. I wasn't able to attend, but I did hear from friends and family that it was an incredible event. The turnout seemed to have been amazing, and I love that for our community. If you've gone to any of the Hmong New Years that have already taken place so far this year, let me know in the comments section below what your favorite part of it was. I believe there's probably a few more Hmong New Years that are going to be taking place before the year ends. If you're going to one of those, let me know what you're looking forward to. For today's story, it's one that I've been told a while back, but I've been holding on to it because I felt like it would be more fitting to share during this time of the year, as the story itself is also set around this time of the year. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into the story. Historically, the Nobejo tradition or Hmong New Year is held after the harvest season. It marks the end of the year and also the beginning of a new one. This is the single time of the year where people could finally rest from all the hard work in the fields. Nobejo has become such a significant part of the Hmong culture, and it is still widely celebrated. If you're not familiar, for traditional shaman families like mine, Nobejo involves much more than just ball tossing and the lively festivities that you often see being celebrated. For my family, it includes a series of meaningful rituals that my parents perform at home. They usually do it during November or December. First, there is the Bejo ritual, which is where the soul of the family members are called back to unite with the physical body. Secondly, there's the Laida, which is where my dad offers food to our ancestors as a gesture of gratitude and to seek their blessings and protection for the coming year. Finally, we have Zisuga, which is where a new gold paper altar is created to replace the old one. This act symbolizes renewing a spiritual contract with the household guardian and the wealth spirit for the year ahead. It's worth noting that all of these rituals are usually performed in a single night. They're often collectively referred to as Bejo, as it's generally understood that they are carried out together. Since I've gotten married and moved away from my home state of California, I've inevitably stopped being part of this cherished tradition with my family. One year, my childhood best friend back in Cali was getting married, so I had the chance to go back home for a few days. The trip felt nostalgic from the start. My mom picked me up right after her work shift. When we got home, the very first thing that I smelled when walking through the front door was the strong scent of burning incense. It brought back a warm and familiar homey feeling I hadn't experienced in years. It was already late, so both my sister and dad were already asleep. I dragged my heavy luggage into the living room and noticed a small offering table set against the wall, with a freshly made suga taped above it.
Nè, nên nhọc khoe hộp lì bé châu giả lọ.
Chị ơi, chúng này bé nó bé thiếu lì, bé nó hộp lì ta trâu nó mò sơ.
Oh, that's okay. Cô nè bỏ lọ tôi chỉ tao nào thêm mà.
Chị tao nó là mà lấy nó mà, nó nên xong tôi chỉ tao tao.
As we talked, I continued dragging my luggage into the corner of the living room.
Con à, cái lúc này phải sao một trò hậu chia không phải đó chia bự mà.
Oh no, Galeang, it's okay. 他几个选择找我把开了有空着呢外定，这张都嘛找二次这找婆婆那去都难都。
哎呀，家你还了，cả chuyện cả thiên mù đó hậu chia không muốn được chấp bự.
That night, I insisted on sleeping on the sofa. So my mom set it up with bedding to make it comfortable for me.
Cả chỉ cả chế bự trong đó cái, vậy chỉ họ chỉ trong bự là thiên mù đó chấp bự đó hậu ra nữa.
Yeah, thanks, Mom.
My mom turned off the lights and then walked away into my dad and her room. I scrolled through my Facebook feed for a little bit and then I turned my phone off and set it down next to me. The only remaining light was the flickering from the candle that was lit at the offer table. I closed my eyes. Eventually, my body became relaxed and light as a feather. I was slowly drifting to sleep. Until... I started getting a strong whiff of something putrid.
Where is that smell coming from? 不要两个人开始干呢，家就去录。
My mind went to the poached chicken that was sitting on the offer table at the altar. I slightly lifted my head to look around, trying to see if I could spot the source of the smell, but nothing caught my eye. I took a big final sniff, but I still couldn't determine where it was coming from, so I laid back down and closed my eyes. It felt like I had just closed my eyes for a moment when I felt something tickling my face. Startled, I opened my eyes. It was my mom. She was standing on the other side of the sofa's armrest, leaning over my head. Her face hovered close to mine, and it was the ends of her hair brushing up against my skin that had been tickling me. Whispering, she asked,
Cậu nè, có bữa trái plau.
No, กู只吃不辣天。他不大白破，กู得以为我 hamburger 那白嘛。
Ồ, ồ lì lọ. Bé chả mò cháu bé nó sư. Bé chả bà xa lọ cháu bé dùng sư, để có tôi cho chúa có một chế.
Huh? What does that even mean, Mom? có hả thì nào?
The mood shifted. In an instant, my mom ran and laid on the ground right in front of the sukkah, staying perfectly still. Her face turned pale with a bluish-purple undertone. She was scaring me. She stared right at me and she repeated,
Bé chả mò cháu bé nó sư. Bé chả bà xa lọ cháu bé dùng sư, để có tôi cho chúa có một chế. Có bữa của họ theo lợ, cũng chỉ đâu theo bữa. Thiên một chế. Thiên một chế. Thiên một chế. Cậu này, chả có chỉ bự sổ salon có là bự cho họ ăn nó nè. Có lúc phun có qua rồi, có bự sướng nè.
Oh shoot, 都要下梦了，家那去把车工作热。
I noticed multiple text messages from my friend Kelly, who was already outside waiting for me. I rushed into the bathroom to wash up before heading out.
Okay, Mom, 估摸 see you later.
The day flew by as I spent most of it with Kelly. We had things planned back to back and we did a lot of shopping. I barely had any time to even think about what happened the night before. On the car ride home, I stared absent-mindedly out of the window, thinking about what to do with my sister and my mom once I got home. It was then that the memory of the previous night crept back into my mind. I finally started recalling and processing what happened the night before. I still wasn't exactly sure what happened and whether it was a dream or real. Why did my mom act like that?
I'm back.
The sound of running water and dishes clinking echoed from the kitchen.
Câu nào có lo chè lo bị kitchen rồi ba mỗi giờ rong đỡ hậu sao? Cụ chỗ đây tôi mong bao nữa.
Okay, tao có dây khâu chó.
I quickly took off my shoes and started walking over. As I walked, I put my hair up into a bun.
Nè, cái chỗ này rồi có muốn hậu rau chua là do có hậu xiang cái nè.
I turned the corner into the kitchen. An unsettling feeling took hold. The kitchen was completely empty.
Mom, có muốn từ nè.
There was no boiling pot on the stove. The water was running, but my mom wasn't there. I walked over to the sink to turn off the water faucet. And there, I looked out the window into the backyard. My mom was outside in her little garden, crouched over picking at her winter vegetables. I suddenly felt like I was being watched and that something was creeping from behind me. I ran out the back door and into the yard towards my mom.
Chả có yêu khét chẳng luôn con à.
我鸟过去都落了。
我讲啊，
古老车姐姐每年鸟到路 kitchen， 我搞路水还路着古，哎，那搞古老好用呢。古老车路到 kitchen 啊哈，都起了么人的。
高音脑子真的咯。
Yeah， 脑真为真啊！古等着那他看啊，哎，你都带古着安呢。
chả ít khó tài ít khó to liều bên này nó để tỷ có chính tăng mà
我家还要底钱啦，老年啊，
tới giờ mà nè vấn đề có tuần nữa để bé hụp lý bé châu ta có chính đó bóng tổng có chỉ là tô lần đó lấy về thế lấy rong non ta mà nè lâu rồi xóa xẹt lưỡi liều cha đó chỉ hay tiền yêu muốn châu tủ nâng để cho hồ châu tủ sư họ có chính đó ta để chỉ tiền lý sư họ có chỉ giờ chơi hay tiền có chỗ linh tư chỉ tàu hồ lo có cả chỉ lo nọ lo hậu non ta đó ta linh đầu để có chỉ yêu nhau giáo sư cá có chơi ta mò cho có chỉ mà liều lo bự nọ để cụ thể vì lo cho bị cha nó làm thiệt không cho cụ yêu mù đa đê toàn cho sư có chỉ cụ tự to kia lo ý mẹ vườn chúa có chỉ kia lo hay tiền mỗi ý mẹ bỏ đá bỏ lầu nị cho trông chạy lo mò có chỉ đâu tàu luôn này salon có chỉ tiền nếu bỏ lầu đỡ mà nị lo hay tiền có chỉ chơi lầu chè nữa lon trong bên nhỏ nó mò có chỉ là bé bé lên đâu của san chơi tiền đa số nó ta chỉ có học bỏ có thiệt cái lỡ chọn chạy mà họ chơi bé đã vào đã chơi cho rong rồi vì chỉ có chỉ lo mà có chỉ bỏ đa mà
I spent that night sleeping in my sister Chia's room. Up until that point in my life, I had never experienced the terrifying phenomenon of being sat on. That record was broken that very night. I woke up around 3 a.m. and I struggled to fall back asleep. What my mom told me earlier in the day only made my unease worse. I turned onto my side, facing my sister, who was also lying on her side with her back to me. This is where things got blurry. I might have already entered the state of sleep paralysis without realizing it. I watched as my sister began shifting around under the blanket. At first, I thought she was just restless. But then, I noticed something horrifying. Beneath the blanket, there was movement that didn't belong. An old woman dressed in Hmong clothes was wriggling between us, clawing her way upwards, exactly like that one scene from The Grudge. The terror was unlike anything I had ever felt before. I fought with every ounce of willpower to break free from the paralysis. I always hear stories about people being unable to break free from sleep paralysis, and they're forced to endure it until they fall asleep. But not me. I broke free. In fact, I broke out of it in the most dramatic way. My arms flung up and hit my sister in the back. She woke up confused and groggy. I told her to turn on the lights because I was freaking scared. I swept the blankets off onto the side of the bed because there was no way I was risking finding some scary old lady under the blanket. When the light came on, I looked toward the foot of the bed, near where my sister and I had been lying. To my shock, there were uncooked rice grains scattered everywhere. There was no explanation for how they got there. The only places with uncooked rice in the house were the rice bag itself in the kitchen or the offering table at the sukkah altar. I couldn't sleep for the rest of the night. For the remainder of my stay, I slept over at my friend Kelly's house. After I left, my parents and sister began noticing strange occurrences around their house. They kept finding small, random piles of rice in odd places. Once my sister was doing laundry, she pulled her clothes out of the dryer, placed them into a basket, and turned away to load the washer. When she turned back, there was a fresh pile of rice sitting on top of the clean clothes. Weird incidents like this continued until my mom called our uncle, who was a shaman, to come and kick out the entity. The spirit resisted, refusing to leave. It was comfortable in my parents' home, specifically on that sofa in the living room. It wanted to stay. My uncle eventually succeeded at getting rid of it, but only after much negotiation. My parents had to burn multiple paper bolts as part of the ritual to appease and send the entity away. For those of you who do bondong, please be careful with your words. There's always someone or something listening. As always, thank you so much for listening. Is there a specific type of scary story that you would like to hear on MV Horror Tales? Let me know in the comments section below. I would love to hear your suggestions. I'll see you all in the next video.